Hey everyone, I am professional photographer Ian Plant, and in this course, I am going to be talking about removing distractions. And there's plenty of distractions in our everyday lives that keep our focus away from our passion for photography. And you definitely want to get rid of those distractions, but that's not really the focus of what I'm going to be talking about in this course. I'm going to be talking about removing distractions from your photos. And these are the things that pull the viewer's attention away from what's important in your compositions. So in this class, I am going to offer some practical tips for spotting potential distractions and eliminating them before you take the photo. But the main focus of this course is going to be on mitigating or eliminating any distractions that show up in your photos after the fact. I'm going to show you how to use the digital darkroom to zap those pesky distractions out of existence and to let the clarity of your creative vision shine through. Make sure to check out my new course on removing distractions over at kelby1.com.